Okay everybody, we're going to update a list today. So this is list 1 and I'm going to populate it with some names. Oh, before we start, hit the subscribe button and give it a like. Okay, right, I digress. We're going to populate it with some names. So let's have a look. Dave, Joe, whoops, Joe, and let's have a look. Joe, Bill, and Bill. Okay, that'll do. So we've got some names there. Excuse me while I blow my nose. I've got a cold. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to create a function, enter name. Okay, so entry is equal to input. Okay, enter a name. Enter a name there. Okay, so if entry in list, so if we type in something, it happens to be in that list up there in list 1. Entry in list 1. I'm going to tell the user that it's already there. So print name in list already. And we're just going to go back and give them the option to do it again. So with enter name, we'll take them back up there so they can enter the name again. Else, if the name isn't already in the list, we say list 1 dot append, and that's going to be the entry, the name that you typed into it. Entry, there we go. So list 1 dot append, so list 1 append the entry that you've typed in already. And then what we're going to do is we're going to print out the list. Print list 1. Okay, we're going to print out list 1, and then we're going to go back to enter name so we can do it again. So we're going to print out the list so you can see that the name has actually been appended into there. Okay, all we have to do now is to call the program with enter name. Okay, we're just going to save it and run the program. Okay, so enter name. Let's just enter a name that's already in there first. So we're going to enter Joe. Okay, so name is in the list already. So we've got another try. Let's enter Bill because Bill's already in there. Bill. Okay, let's enter a name that's not in there. So let's put Steve. Okay, so you can see that Steve has been appended into the list. Let's enter another name. Paul. Whoops. So Paul. Okay, enter that. So there we go. So Paul has been appended to the list. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And before you go, remember hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.